Hello everyone. Previously, we have seen implementation of post classification into depressed post and not depressed post using logistic regression. And today, we are going to implement the same using multinomial naive Bayes. In order to implement multinomial naive Bayes, we need to know few things, and out of which the first one is the Bayes theorem. What is Bayes theorem? According to Bayes theorem, if A and B are two classes and the probability of A given B, uh, when A and B are two independent classes, the probability of A given B can be determined by the probability of B given A into probability of A by probability of B. This is Bayes theorem, and the whole naive Bayes depends on this theorem. Uh, the term naive suggests that all the features in the data are independent in our problem. And the next thing here is the multinomial distribution. What is multinomial distribution? So here it is a text classification, and in the text classification the features are often word frequencies or term counts, and the multinomial distribution is used to model the likelihood of observing a particular set of word frequencies given the class, and it can be determined as P of features by class equals to I of word of I as of word of count of word. And here, since we are dealing with the probabilities and probabilities in the denominator, there is a possibility where we have to handle the zero probabilities. That is, when a word is not present in the training set for a particular class, then here we have to use Laplace smoothing. This involves adding a small constant to each count to ensure that no probability becomes zero at any point, and that can be denoted as count of I. And the next is the prior probability. P or the class, like P of class is the prior probability of a class, representing our belief about the probability of a document belonging to that class without considering the features. And for classifying a new document, we use a predicted class is determined by argmax of class P of class into P of I word of I. And using this, we predict a new document and classify it into a depressed post or a not depressed post. And in summary, what we need here is that we have to calculate the prior probability for each class, then calculate the likelihood for a feature given each class using multinomial distribution with Laplace smoothing, and multiply the prior probability with the likelihood for each class, and then choose the class with the highest probability as predicted class for the new document. And now let's see how we can implement it. Firstly, similar to the previous one, we have like three data sets. One is the Reddit combo data set, the Twitter full data set, and the Twitter non-advert data set. We are taking the text, dropping the null values, and combining all three data sets into a pandas data frame. And from this, we are drop checking for the null values and dropping the null values. And finally, we are cleaning the text and then splitting the data into the trained data and the test data. Uh, and after that, we are using TfidfVectorizer to vectorize the data. And from there, I've used the multinomial from the library. And here I'm setting the alpha value to zero point 0.1, and using that I've predicted the classes for the test features, for which I got an accuracy of 86%, which is okay, but is like not really better than what we have done for logistic regression. And for that, I've used cross validation, like tenfold cross validation, and for that I got the mean accuracy of 95%. Thank you.